In this video, I will show you how to find the best wallets to copy and trade Solana meme coins and make money consistently. I recently started trading meme coins for fun, and in the beginning, I was losing trade after trade until I did some deeper research and discovered a smart strategy that nobody talks about, and helped me cut my losses. Today I'd like to share my strategy with you. I'll show you how to find profitable trader wallets, see which meme coins they're buying, and how you can earn just as much as they do. Of course, all of this is not financial advice, so please do your own research before you invest in crypto. Trading meme coins is very risky, and you can lose all your money if you don't do it right. But I will give you my best tips and advice to succeed in this volatile market, and not get scammed. Let me first show you some of my recent trades on Sniper, the exchange that I use for trading Solana meme coins. If you use my Snipe link in the description below, you will get 10% discount on all your trading fees. In the Biggest Wins browser, you can see that I made some incredible trades. I made 120x with Tenebro, 79 with Shrub, 76 with She, 55 with Zao, and some other crazy coins that I never heard of before I started. Of course, I also made some losses in the beginning, just like every other inexperienced trader, but the majority of my trades were winners, and I'm about to tell you how I did it, so keep watching to the end. By the way, Snipe is easy to use. You can set up a range of smart filters to quickly find the best meme coins, and there's no need to sign up with your email or home address. Just connect your Phantom wallet, add some Solana to your Snipe wallet and you are done. If you also want to trade on Snipe, check out the video tutorial on my channel. Notice that you can only trade Solana here. If you want to trade on the Sui network, I recommend you get a Sui trading bot. There are different bots like Sui Sniper Bot and the NFD trade bot, but I recommend Sui Sniper Bot. It's fast and has very low fees. You only pay a 1% fee per trade, and because the price of Sui is extremely low, that's almost nothing. I also have the Sui Sniper Bot link in the description below, so you are sure to download the right one. Okay. So let's talk about how you can find profitable wallets and how to track which coins they own. I like to start on DEX Screener, select the Solana network, and then click on Trending Coins. This gives me a list of all the hottest meme coins and their 5-minute or 1-hour percentages. I always do a quick audit to check if there are no scam alerts. Some meme coins are programmed to keep you from selling your tokens after buying them, so we don't want to trade these scam coins. This coin looks fine and has no warnings. Next, I check if the liquidity is locked and burned. We can see this by clicking on the small lock inside the circle. If the liquidity is locked and burned, the devs and influencers cannot sell all their tokens at once. I also want to see a decent market cap and a good amount of unique wallets that bought the token. If there's not much trading volume, then it will be difficult to sell the coin after you buy it, so skip low volume and low market cap coins. Okay. Once done, we can move to the transaction part below the chart. Here's a list of all the traders and token holders. Click on the top holders to find out which wallets have made the most profit. The first wallet is usually the dev wallet, so skip it. It's better to check the third and fourth wallets. If you see a blank field in the buys section, it means that this wallet got its coins on Pump.Fun and sold them on Radium, making it an interesting wallet to do some deeper research on. Here's a wallet that bought 5,000 and sold for 18,000, so we will investigate this wallet on Solscan. Click on the Explorer icon to go there. Every transaction on the blockchain is registered and open to the public, so here we can see what's inside the wallet. The Solana and token balance is located at the top left of the page, and the wallet address is above it. We can see all the different coins in the wallet, together with the total Solana value and token balance. On the transfers page, there is a list with all the tokens that were traded from this wallet, and how much was paid. Here's some valuable information to look up. If you see a list with many profitable trades, then that's a wallet to follow. These wallets are mostly owned by big players like YouTubers, Twitter influencers and developers, and like it or not, these people control the market and make most of the money. We, as small retail investors, are only used to dump on. Whales and influencers collect their coins long before the token gets listed on DEX Screener or another exchange, and when the retail gets in, they artificially pump the price, and when they make a 2, 5 or 10x, they dump their tokens on the market, leaving us poor fellows with bags of worthless coins. That's why we want to know where the big wallets are stepping in, so we can make our money, riding on their back. I'm not saying that all meme coins are scams, but 95% are. The good thing is that when whales and influencers dump their tokens, the market cools down and the community can take over the project and make it big. It took me a while to realize this is how it works. To copy the wallet address, click the copy icon. Now we have our first wallet to follow up on. But how do we do this? Don't worry. It's simple. To track a wallet, we need a wallet tracking bot. These small programs work on Telegram and are usually free. I use the Ray Blue Wallet Tracker for Solana. It's a free bot, and I have the download link below. Make sure to click on that link only. Scammers are distributing bots with the same name online, but my link is 100% safe. Once your bot is installed, you click on the Add button and paste the wallet address that you just copied on Solscan. That's it. Our first wallet is now ready to send us signals when there is a transaction taking place. You can add up to 10 wallets in the free version, but if you want to track more, you can always upgrade later. In the bot settings, you can select which notifications to receive. To get all, just leave everything as it is. Click on the Manage button to see a list of all the wallets that are tracked. The way these bots work is simple. When a tracked wallet is buying or selling a coin, a message in Telegram pops up with the name and address of the coin and the amount of traded tokens. It's also important to note that these whales and influencers know their wallets are being tracked. That's why they use other wallets to consistently buy tokens. If you find these other wallets that are linked to their main wallet, you win the jackpot. You will see which coins they are buying for their pump and dump setups. I also use Photon to do some deeper research. Photon is a popular exchange, like Autosnipe, but it can track individual wallet trades as an extra option. Here's how it works. Find a trending token pair, open the chart, click Top Traders, select a profitable wallet, and click the funnel icon. All the wallet's trades will pop up on the chart. The green circles are buy orders, and the red circles are sell orders. You can exactly see how many tokens were bought or sold by hovering over the circles. To find the dev wallet, scroll down in the Top Traders section until you notice a wallet with the dev icon behind it. Click the funnel icon to see all the trades and how much money was made. Click the wallet address to research the wallet on Solscan. Here's an overview of all the transactions and transfers, the amount of tokens in the portfolio, the balance changes, etc. We can also find interesting wallets by looking out for wallets that bought in at the beginning of the chart. These wallets have inside information and often belong to influencers or friends of the dev, so these are the wallets to check out. You can also track the performance of different wallets by using Celo. To start using Cielo, you need to log in by connecting your Phantom wallet. If you sign in for the first time, you'll be prompted to connect a Telegram bot to receive Telegram alerts for transactions from wallets you're following. If you don't wish to add a Telegram bot, you can skip this step, although it's recommended to get notified as fast as possible. You can add wallets one by one, or upload a list in bulk. Let's click on this Solana wallet that I have saved. A new page opens and exposes the wallet activity. This wallet has a token win rate of 41%. That's not bad, but I prefer to track wallets with a win rate above 50%, then I know that's a good wallet to follow. We can overview the realized profit and losses, use different filters to change the network, see all the transactions, and if you have a paid account, you can even check out the wallet's portfolio and the first and last trades that were made. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you found some useful information in this video. If you did, please leave a like, and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest video updates first. Have a great day.